Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be doing a tutorial on how to make a cute necklace perfect for the upcoming holiday season and just for your friend, birthday gift. Really simple and easy to make, but it really brings a statement. So we'll be using these beads here from the Softflex company. They are 10 or 12 millimeter and they are ceramic beads with a large hole, and they come in about, I think, 8 or 10 different colors. So I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description box so you can check out these beautiful beads. You will also need a charm or a pendant of your choice and a cord. And you can use like a leather cord and put your own findings on it. I'm using one that's already pre-made. So to start, we're just going to open up our beads, and we get 10 of them per strand. Just move the little owl charm out of the way. And then for the pre-cord that's already made, we're just going to open up this little jump ring here on the end and just put that off to the side. Now you can go ahead and string on your beads, but it's a little bit tricky. They don't always want to go through. So what we're going to do is just get a piece of wire or an eye pin and just open up the little loop on the eye pin and attach it. Go ahead and close it back up. This is going to act as our little needle and get it to cooperate. It's going to act as our little needle to thread our beads onto the cord. So we have 10 beads. So we're going to put 5. We're going to put our owl charm on, and we're going to string on the other 5. And just string them down. How quick and easy that necklace comes together. Then we're just going to remove our eye pin, or that extra little wire that we had on there. Leave that off to the side. We're going to pick up the rest of our clasp and attach it onto the cord. And just go ahead and close it back up. Make sure that your jump ring is completely closed. And we have a beautiful purple owl necklace with the charm and then the Peruvian ceramic beads from Softflex Company on a cord. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for further tutorials, unboxings. Have a wonderful day.